Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good. In today's video, I would like to talk about an issue that I have on my Ricoh GR3 and how I kind of solved it. It's related to a jumpy control wheel, the control wheel which is kind of jumpy and keeps going up and down when I scroll. So in this video, I would like to share how I kind of fix this issue. If you're new here, I am Ansar and I kind of like street photography a lot. I do share some of my shooting experiences with Ricoh and Fuji and also some other cameras that I have. I also share some of my street photography experiences on this channel. So if you like this content or if you like what you see, do consider subscribing to the channel. Let's get to the issue. So I've had the Ricoh GR3 for more than a year. I've had no issues, but off late I faced some issues when I kind of use the control wheel to move through the menu or kind of even change my ISO. The control wheel keeps kind of jumping back and forth as if I'm doing a motion like clockwise and anti-clockwise. You see now I'm just going in the clockwise direction, but what it does is it keeps jumping back and forth like this, which kind of very annoying when you want to change the menu, or for example on the fly when I want to change the ISO. It's kind of very annoying. So I was reading through the forums to kind of find a fix for this. I know Ricoh was also having a recall or kind of doing a free fix for people who have a wobbly control dial. I do not have a wobbly control dial, but I have this issue of this jumpy controls, or jumpy when it's kind of jumping the menu items. It's not going one by one, it's going back and forth. So what I did is I was reading through some of the forums and I found a fix where someone said use something like a pressurized gas cleaner that you use for cleaning your that is used for cleaning dust between your keyboards or also other electronic components. So I went online, I found something like this. It's a pressurized gas cleaner that is used for cleaning some dust between your keyboards. What I did is I just turned off the camera and then I just took this pressurized gas cleaner and just cleaned this place. That's about it, and it kind of fixed the issue. I think there might have been some dust or debris caught underneath this control dial, which was kind of making this movement go haywire. I think cleaning or cleaning it with that pressurized gas cleaner kind of fixed the issue. I did not have any other issues because I was afraid if it might kind of because it's kind of an aerosol. I was a little bit skeptical. I thought I could send it back to Ricoh to fix it, but I wanted to try it before I send it to Ricoh, and it completely fixed this issue. You see, I have no issues now. It just works like a charm, just behaves like when I bought it new. Other than that, so everything now works amazing, and I tried this many times. I've had this fix done for more than a week. I've been shooting regularly. It has not popped up back again. I think it's might be because I keep my camera in my pocket. Maybe some dust or debris got into this control dial, and that's what was causing this issue. I know in previous Ricoh models were also plagued with some dust or debris getting into the sensor. I think it could have been because of this front element of this camera moving back and forth might attract dust particles into the sensor. It has not happened on my Ricoh GR3 yet, but so far so good. I fixed this issue, so do let me know in the comment section below if this fix kind of work for you. I would still recommend recommend you guys to use this fix with caution. If you are in doubt, send it to Ricoh, they will fix it. But this worked for me, and do let me know in the comment section below if it worked for you. Thank you very much, and until the next video, bye bye.